Hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. In today's video we're going to make a perfume box with a few Dollar Tree items.
No.
I'm recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, so we're here at Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the supplies for the jewelry box. Depending on how large you want your jewelry box, you're going to need 4 to 6 of these boxes. They're already lightly sanded, so I'm going to go ahead and sand them some more once I get home. So I went ahead and picked up a total of 8 of the wood crates because I wanted to do 2 separate perfume display boxes. And I'm sorry, in the intro I said jewelry box. I meant perfume box, but hey, that's another video I might come up with as well. So they're pretty well sanded, so I didn't have to go back and sand them more. You definitely can if you wanted to give it a more smoother look, but they were pretty well sanded. So I went ahead and started with the next step, which was to go ahead and glue the wood crates together to make that display stand. All the items that I used, I did purchase a majority of them from the Dollar Tree. Some of the items I already had on hand in my crafting room, but I will leave a list of all the items in the description box below. So just using a good amount of the wood glue, I just went ahead and placed some wood glue on the sides and then put the display together and sealed it with some clips just to hold it in place and allowed it to dry overnight. This perfume display will be great for your small to medium perfume bottles. Just a great way to just spice up your look. I'm going to be placing these displays in my closet, so I just wanted something nice to put my perfume bottles, and I was definitely inspired for this project. And I just use these clips just to hold everything in place and just allow it to dry overnight. And I use this matte acrylic paint in white and just painted a few coats of the matte paint and allowed it to fully dry. I had a little piece of foam that I cut just to fit the bottoms of the crates, just so I have a little cushion for my perfume bottles. And I just placed a little bit of hot glue gun to put them in place. And I had some of this, it's like a mirrored vinyl, and I just used that as the background. I had just one strip of these glitter adhesive stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, so I used that to put on the top and sides of my display box. I will be going to Dollar Tree and getting another package so I could finish both of the display boxes. And just with the reflective vinyl, I'm just placing that inside the crate to give it a little bit of a mirrored look. Here I'm using my Sure Bonder hot glue gun to glue those little pieces of white foam at the bottom of the crate. I really like the fact that I'm able to use my small to medium perfume bottles that would fit in the wood crate. And I ran to my local Dollar Tree and I was able to find these floating shelves just to give it a little bit more, a better foundation. And I was able to find one strip of the silver adhesive sticker to finish the top of the crates. And I think using the floating trays just adds a nice touch and makes a more stunning piece. So go ahead to your local Dollar Tree and grab these few items to give your perfume bottles a little mini makeover. You don't have to spend a fortune to have a beautiful project like this. Well, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of the Crafting with Shaneda family. And stay tuned for more DIY projects. Happy crafting!